Vyasan with Lohit Bora from ACTV News, streaming from BKV School, Bagetinali. And as we all know, because of this COVID pandemic, schools and educational institute has all been held up and students aren't able to study. So this school, BKV, is one of the schools which has started online teaching. And I am here, the respected principal of this respected school. So let's get to know her. Okay, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, so how did this idea first came up and when?
Actually speaking, when the COVID-19 started, the pandemic started, we were all prepared for this because we know that since it's a pandemic, the things are not going to be okay and the normalcy cannot be established so soon. So we, the team of BKV Nijali, with the help of our administrative office from Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalaya, Madhya Pradesh Trust, Bilburan, we started planning for the thing. So here, when we found that BKV Nijali, we have an advantages of having better network facilities and all compared to the other interior schools of Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalaya. So we started planning. First on 15th night, we had a sitting. We had a lot of brainstorming, how to do it, and what are the criteria that we might follow. And with the help of the IT teachers, the computer teachers, plus all subject teachers, we had 3 sittings in separate way, and then we had formed a timetable. The timetable was formed for that. Not only, you know that normally what happens that online classes are taken for class 10 and 12 by everybody. But in the process, the primary classes are done located. So we have seen that class 2 to 12, they should have different e-learning in their own standard, and whatever the modalities suits the level, the age group. So we have got class 2 to 5 separate operating system, then 6 to 8 we have another methodology we have followed, and then from 9 to 12 we are using the Google Meet, where direct teaching, online teaching is going on, and that's what the modalities were there by us.
So ma'am, this is a very new technique of study. So how does the students cope up with that and the staffs as well?
To be very frank, the very beginning there was a kind of a confusion, doubts were there, apprehensions were many. Even the staff, they were, everybody, you know, whenever something new you start. So normally others think that is it okay? It may work in Delhi, it may work in Jaipur, but is it possible in Annazar? That was in nursery. The first thing is that the parents won't be happy, or maybe will have difficulties, the network issues, that everybody will not have a smartphone. But by my experience of 28 years in Annazar, I know that my children, they will be lacking many things, but every child somehow they will manage to have a smartphone, or the parents at least. So with that thing, I had taken the staff into the confidence, we had discussed. Then first we had a class. It did not go directly to the students. First the Google Meet, the class of the group was formed. Then we teachers, first I had an online meeting. When we checked the clarity of the thing, how the things can go. After that one, the teachers to teachers. The subject teachers were oriented in this. Then we created the link. It was given to the children. Then children were trained how to join, what to do and what not to do, because the comments can be anything. So we have already, actually we need to train them. First we have trained them in that the comments have to be decent, and it is for learning. So how much they can do, and I do not know that this is a flipped class. Flipped class means like what I am going to take tomorrow, it is already announced today. So today the children, the students will be prepared that this is the class we are going to then please study, because class 9 to 12, self-learning, we are stressing on that. So we ask them that to study and then come out. Then the very next day, when they come, they are full of questions, queries, or they know more than the teachers. So the teachers' level of preparation also have to be very, very, you need to keep the standard, because already the children know that what you are going to teach, and they will be ready with their questions. So it is more like, like your queries are being answered here, than we delivering a lecture. So that is another shift in this education, right? And then when the children, they come to know that, yes, I am going to attend this class tomorrow, and so everybody, 11 o'clock they have classes there, 10:50 they have to join. So if somebody has not joined, another teacher will keep, the teacher started bringing up and telling that, see, the class is going to start.
हिंदी का दूसरा चैप्टर चल रहा है, इसमें कल जो हम लोग पाठ को एक्सप्लेन कर दिया गया है, बता दिया गया है, शब्द अर्थ लिखा दिया गया है। आज ये लोग सब रिक्त स्थानों की पूर्ति कराना है। जो हम अभी विलोम शब्द दिए हैं बच्चों को करने के लिए, इसका करने के बाद अगर जो लोग सकेगा नहीं करने से फिर हम लोग उसका आंसर देंगे इसका। उसके बाद से रिक्त स्थानों की पूर्ति इसको करने के बाद रिक्त स्थानों की पूर्ति देंगे, फिर सही और गलत का पहचान करने
now.
के।
And are there any messages you want to convey to your students?
Actually, you know, the teacher,
Regarding this
the
COVID-19,
teacher is now complete with the students.
Yeah.
And the school is complete. You would have seen today, all the classes are going on. The classroom is empty. Even the bench and desk are up and everything is in this way. But you know, we really miss them. We really wish that they come back to us with that kind of a thing. No, the lot of noise here, there, and we really are waiting for the school to reopen. The children will be coming to us with all social distancing and everything. Whatever the government norms are there, we are ready to take our children, and we really are, every one of us, we want our children back as soon as possible. So let this pandemic end and let everybody be happy. So we go on this webinar.
Thank you so much. This is Meenu Pyasung with Lohit Bora, ACTV News. Namaste, this is Meenu Pyasung with Lohit Bora, and we are at BKV School, Bagetinali. And because of this COVID-19 pandemic, the students has been held back and they couldn't study because of this lockdown. So I am at BKV School, Bagetinali, and behind me are the teachers, and this school is one of the schools who has started online classes. So come with me and let's ask them some questions. Okay, sir. This school is one of the schools which has started online classes. So how does it work? Can you please tell us?
Yes. Actually, we have been using the Google Classroom, where we posted some videos from the very reputed site, just like the IIT. And along with that, we posted some materials, study materials, just like the NCERT books and the CBSE syllabus, reference book. And in that part also, we prepared some worksheet, quizzes, which we posted there. And we actually recorded all the responses, which is already submitted by the students. Okay? We have some record on all of this. And we are taking this one live classes, where we are trying to clear the doubts, okay, of the students, whatever they have, because they already watched the videos, they have already submitted the quizzes, all these things. Still they have some doubts. Okay, so right now we are taking some doubt clearing classes via this one Google Meet. In this way we are proceeding right now.
Okay, thank you so much. And let's move to other teachers here. Hi, ma'am. Okay, so ma'am, online teaching must be difficult for the students sometimes, right? So are the students able to cope up with that?
No, see, I am teaching in primary section. Now what we are doing is, we are making videos, worksheets, or whatever the audio clips we are taking, and we are making a WhatsApp group for the parents. So they have to cope up with us for this situation. So we are working like this.
Okay, thank you so much. This is Meenu Pyasung with Lohit Bora, ACTV News.